Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Quick Labs Trivia July Week 2 lab. And as you know that the week 1 is already finished and it's now closed. But if in any case अगर आपने ये complete नहीं की है, so don't worry, आप अभी भी थोड़ी hope रख सकते हैं क्योंकि possibilities हैं कि at the end of this month week 1 फिर से open हो. So अगर आपने अभी भी ये miss कर दिया है, then don't worry, keep going. आपको अभी जल्दी से जल्दी week 2 की lab complete करनी है because it will be get closed by the next Friday or actually next Wednesday or the Tuesday. In the upcoming Tuesday it will get closed. तो आपके पास सिर्फ ट्यूसडे तक का टाइम है, आपको जल्दी जल्दी ये कंप्लीट करनी है. ओके, सो सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दिस. मैं लिंक इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा अगर आपको एक्सेस करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. ओके, वेदर एक्चुअली यू कैन गो टू द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट और जैसे आप प्ले बटन में क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको ये लैब मिल जाएगी. बट कुछ सब्सक्राइबर्स को नहीं मिल रही थी, इसलिए मैंने सोचा आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दें. ओके, सो वेट फॉर द पेज टू बी लोडेड अप फर्स्ट. So once the page get loaded, simply click on the start lab button and wait for the lab to get started. After that, I will providing you the direct solution of these quizzes. Actually, the week 2 labs or the week labs are actually sort of the MCQs. आपको MCQs type questions आते हैं, उनको आपको आंसर देने होते हैं. So I will be providing you the direct answer. Okay, so you can see lab is started. So for the first one, it is G Cloud. Click on the submit. You will get the green tick. Scroll down. For the second one, the answer is the service directory or Cisco SD. Let me check. What is the answer? Yes, service directory. Okay, now scroll down and you can see अगर आपने गलती से wrong answer select कर दिया then don't worry, आप फिर से right answer correct कर सकते हैं, तो उसमें पैनिक होने वाली बात नहीं. Okay, so answer for the third one is Quebec get daemon set. Click on the submit button, scroll down, and for the fourth one it is Quebec get deployments. Okay, so click on this and you will get a green tick here. Okay, with this your lab is completed, congratulations, but you need to spend minimum 3 minutes in this lab. When you scroll up and you will see you need to minimum spend 3 minutes in this lab, otherwise you won't get the green tick. So it's necessary that you wait for the 3 minutes in this lab. So wait for the timer to pass here 27. In that time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button to the video, and so simply sit back and relax and wait for the timer to get past 27 here. Okay, so as you can see the timer already passes 27 here, so we are good to go. Now we need to click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give. Also you can leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit button and simply come back to the main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. Once again, green tick is very necessary. It indicates that you successfully completed this lab. Okay, so scroll down, keep scrolling and you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.